With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, which of the following forces can never under any circumstances does work? Static friction, tension, normal reaction, none of these. So if you see the tension force, take a block, attach it with a string and pull it like this. So if you see here, the tension force will do here positive work and the tension force will be equals to F. Now what about the normal reaction? So if you take this block and this is the another block, right? So if you apply a force like this, so if you see here, as we want the normal reaction work, right? To see whether it is doing any positive work or what. So if you see here, the normal reaction is doing the positive work on block A. If you see the static friction. So we know that static friction opposes the tendency of relative motion. Right, so if you see, these are the two blocks A and B. So what is happening here? If you see here, the static friction acts when there is no relative motion but there is tendency. So what will happen here? The static friction will act equal and opposite. Right, let's say on A it is acting in forward direction, then on B it will be acting in backward direction like this. And let's say the force F we are applying here like this. So if you see here, the net work done by the static friction force on the system will be 0, because the amount of work done that friction force will do on A will be equal to the amount of work done that friction force will do on B, but the sign will be opposite, right? The friction force do a positive work on A and negative work on B. So net work done by the friction force on the system, it will be 0, since it always opposes the relative motion and it will act whenever there is a tendency of relative motion, not the relative motion. So for sure the work done by the friction force on the two will be the same, but this is not the case for the other two. So the only correct one is A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.